In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock, unlock, or delete drawings in TradingView. Whether you're marking up support and resistance, sketching trend lines, or annotating a chart, keeping your drawings organized is key. I'll walk you through how to control each drawing precisely so you avoid accidental edits and keep your chart clean and easy to read. Start on your chart and click the drawing you want to manage. You'll know it's selected when you see small handles or an outline around it, depending on the tool you used. If you're not sure which element you clicked, try zooming in a little or clicking once more to make sure only the intended drawing is highlighted. With the drawing selected, right-click it to open the context menu. This is where all the quick actions live. If your drawing tends to shift when you're scrolling or adjusting the chart, locking it is a great idea. Click Lock. Once locked, the drawing won't move, even if you drag over it by mistake. This is especially helpful after you've placed a line exactly where you want it and don't plan to adjust it anymore. You can still view it and use the chart normally. It just won't budge. If you need to make changes later, unlocking is just as simple. Right-click the same drawing and select Unlock. The handles will reappear, and you'll be able to move, resize, or edit it as usual. A quick tip. If you're managing multiple drawings, unlock only the one you want to adjust to avoid shifting other elements unintentionally. To delete a drawing you no longer need, right-click it and select Remove. The drawing will disappear from the chart immediately. If you remove something by accident, you can usually undo the action using your platform's undo command, as long as you haven't closed the chart or switched layouts. This helps keep you moving without fear of losing your work. If your chart is cluttered and you want a fresh start, you can remove everything at once. Right-click on the chart background, make sure you're not clicking a specific drawing, and select Remove All Drawings. This clears all lines, shapes, and annotations from the current chart in one step. Consider taking a quick screenshot if you may want to revisit your markup later. That's all you need to lock, unlock, or delete drawings in TradingView with confidence. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.